let's take a look at how progressive web applications make websites more convenient for users. Let's open Chrome web browser and then our web application there. Okay, after it's loaded, we can find this button that we can press and confirm the application installation. When it's done, we can go to the list of all applications and find the web application installed in the system. After that, we can drag the application to the apps bar and pin it over here. Okay, it's done. Let's try to launch it. As you can see, the application works like it was a regular native application. Okay, the next thing is the application deletion. It may not be obvious, but the process of the app removal looks like this. We open the application, then in the top right corner we press this three dots button and find uninstall button over here. When we press it and confirm, the application is being deleted from the system. Here you can see it disappeared.